Today I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana from Google to virtually try on clothing. It's super cool. You can put yourself in something extremely expensive and designer, or just try something on before you buy it using AI. So the first thing we're going to do is just take a really basic selfie. Again, you can just do this on any phone. I'm going to take one of me here in my home office. So I got me. And now let's imagine I want to see how I'm going to look in a Tilly Airflow hat. Now, I happen to own one of these hats, so we can actually compare the AI image to how I really look wearing it. So I've got my selfie ready to go. I'm going to go to gemini.google.com over here, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that selfie image. So here I am, me right now, selfie I just took, and then I'm going to find an image of the piece of clothing that I want to virtually try on. So I just went to the Tilly website. I found this generic image of the exact hat that I want to try on. I've got me and I've got my hat, and then I'm going to type in my prompt, say I want to see how I would look in this hat, edit the image of me to show me wearing this exact hat. It'll take probably 10 to 30 seconds. Let's come back when this process is done. Okay, so that's pretty good. It's shown me with the hat. It's got the little rivets it's added in here. I don't think those are actually on the hat, but you can see it has correctly put the little kind of strap here to keep it on my head, and it's from that generic product image imagined what the bottom of the hat is going to look like. So that's pretty good. I think I look pretty good in that hat. And then let's grab the actual hat, which I've got sitting with me right here, and let's compare Nano Banana's results to the reality of me wearing this hat. So it's pretty good. It's got a bigger picture of me. So here it is up close, AI's imagined version of how I would look in that hat from Nano Banana. Here's a selfie I just took of how I actually look in that hat. And you can see it's a pretty good approximation. Maybe just the way I'm looking, the brim is like a little bit higher up here, but you can see the little vent on the top there, the straps coming down. That's all quite accurate to real life. And I could get a sense from this photo of, yeah, I think I'd look pretty good in that hat. And then as you can see here, in fact, that is true in real life. Now, of course, you're not limited to just doing this with stuff you actually want to buy. You could see how you look in some crazy designer thing or some historical hat or item or whatever it is. You can swap out your outfits as well. And this is a great tool if you're thinking of buying something, especially something expensive, and you want to see how you would actually look in it, or just creating a mood board or imagining any kind of scenario that you would want. If you want to see how you look in some kind of $1,000 designer item, you can do that with Nano Banana. So very, very simple prompting, very easy. You just need a nice reference photo and a selfie, and you can try on pretty much any clothing in the world. If you found this helpful or interesting, please do like and subscribe. It really helps.